Hello, this is Darin Martineau, and welcome to this new product. This is called How to Create Magic. And as a prolific magic creator, I've created hundreds and hundreds of magic products, well over 300, and over 100 books, and much more, guides, everything. So, on how to create magic in this product, what you're going to get is you're going to get books and videos on how to create magic, and it's really incredible. I also give you your own little library of classics magic books like Bobo's Modern Coin Magic, Classic Secrets of Magic by Bruce Elliott, Encyclopedia of Rope Tricks, Stars of Magic. You're going to get the Tarbell Course in Magic on here. So you're going to get a lot. You're going to get, let's see, one, two, three, um, four, five, six, seven, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you're going to get a total of you're going to get 20 books and videos on how to create magic and your own library of classic magic books included. This is absolutely incredible. So you're going to get the 24 Principal Rules of Magic by David Devant. You're going to get my How to Develop Style magic book. You're going to get my Pro Magic Scripts book, so you can attach the scripts to your routines. Um, you're going to learn how to create magic with the Magic from Scratch book by myself and my good friend Brian Smedley. You're going to get my Magic Act checklist. You're going to get the Royal Road to Card Magic, the Cerulean book, Creating Fine Art Magic, the complete Tarbell Course in Magic, The Art of Magic by T. Nelson Downs, Money Magic, Modern Magic by Professor Hoffman, Master Magic University by myself and my good friend Brian Smedley. You can see everything. Click on the link, and this is absolutely incredible. You're going to learn how to create magic right now.